Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sahi Lakshmi. I am a Tableau developer. I am making a series of videos for beginners to learn Tableau easily. Today I am going to give an overview of Tableau. So the agenda of this session is to talk about Tableau overview, position of Tableau in the market, star features of Tableau, brief comparison with other BI tools, advantages and limitations. Let's get started. Tableau overview. Tableau is a business intelligence tool which allows the user to create multiple reports and dashboards with a simple drag and drop. Tableau has its own language called VSQL, which runs in the background. When you click on something or when you drag and drop something, it will the VSQL script runs in the background and it communicates your action from Tableau, and it will take that action from Tableau and it will reciprocate that action. It will communicate that action with the data source and reciprocate the result from the data source to Tableau. We can connect any type of data sources with Tableau. It can be Excel sheet or database, or means database like Oracle, SQL, MS SQL, MySQL, SQL Server, MongoDB, Cassandra, anything as such. You can connect any number of data sources and you can connect any type of data source with Tableau and pull the data from the data source to Tableau, and you can analyze and create reports in less time. You don't need any coding skills to start working on Tableau. Let's move on to the next sheet. So Tableau's position in Gartner Chart. So my idea behind preparing this slide or showing this image is to make you understand how Tableau is doing in the market. So like as a beginner you may be having lots of doubts about how the skill is in the market right now, or how was it in the past, or are there any competitors, or is it worth learning, anything as such. So this is a Gartner chart which is made in 2017 by comparing Tableau with all other BI tools. So when Tableau is compared with all other BI tools, it made its way to lead by beating all the other BI tools around. So whereas Microsoft Power BI is being the competitor with Tableau. Let's move on to next slide. Star features of Tableau. Why I called it star feature is these features make Tableau stand out from other BI tools. So the simple drag and drop makes it easy to use. So as I said earlier, the drag and drop feature of Tableau is the heart of it. So you don't have to worry much about coding or any technical part of it. You just need to drag and drop any column you wanted to analyze and put it on the sheet. You can see the visualization happening around. Free as well as paid versions available. Like there are 5 different products available in market. There are 5 different products of Tableau which is available in market. So those are Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server sorry, and Tableau Reader. So when it comes to free, Tableau Public, the Tableau Public is a free version of Tableau, whereas the paid versions are Tableau Desktop, Tableau Online, Tableau Server and Tableau Reader. So I'll make a separate video to explain more about these products. And extensive customer support. Tableau provides an extensive customer support. There is a 24/7 customer support available for Tableau. When you have any difficulties with technical issues or any licensing issues or pricing issues, you can reach Tableau anytime and you can get your issue sorted out. Tableau community and their contribution. So Tableau community is a place where a lot of developers in the world come together and work with each other and help each other. Like when for example, when you are facing an issue or when you are working on some scenario and you didn't get the solution, you are stuck somewhere in between and you have no one to help out or you have nowhere to go, then you can go to Tableau community and you can post your query over there, you can post your doubts over there, you can get your doubts clarified. And there are lots of documents over there. There are a lot of documents available, training videos and workbooks, calculations. There are much more in Tableau community which you can actually use it to learn more in Tableau. Let's move on to next slide. So comparison of BI tools. So comparison of BI tools, my idea behind this is let me go back to my previous slide. So in this Gartner chart, you can see only 3 skills which are in top, which are in leaderboard. Those are ClickView, Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. So that is why I thought of finding some comparison in between so that you can understand it better. So Power BI and ClickView and Tableau are compared over here against the following capabilities. Those are visualization capabilities, advanced analytics capabilities, cloud capability, big data integration and storage limits. So when it comes to visualization capability, Power BI has a easy to use platform, so there won't be much difficulty in using it. And in ClickSense, it's a self-service analytics tool, whereas in Tableau it provides perfect graphics as well as visualization capabilities. So the look and feel of Tableau dashboards always stands out when compared to other BI tools. Advanced analytic capabilities. Whereas Power BI when we are comparing against this feature, Power BI supports all language-based visualizations alone, whereas in ClickSense it don't support any R or Python-based objects in it. And in Tableau it will support both R and Python integrations in its visualizations. So like when we are creating a visualization in Power BI, we can integrate a R script in it and we can create a visualization. When ClickSense don't allow it, whereas in Tableau, while you are creating a visualization, you can integrate either R script or Python script in it, and you can do lots of statistical algorithms. You can do it, or predictive modeling, clustering, anything as such you can do using R and Python integration in Tableau, and you can create visualizations based on that. So cloud capability. So Power BI is compatible with Microsoft Azure, and ClickSense offers a SaaS cloud product, whereas Tableau is compatible with cloud platforms like Azure and AWS. So when it comes to big data integration, Power BI always tops when compared with ClickSense and Tableau. It is it provides a strong integration in between big data and Power BI. And ClickSense, it will let you access and manage your data within a single environment. You don't have to maintain multiple environments in ClickSense. You just need to maintain your data in a single environment, be it small or large or medium, anything it can be. So when it comes to Tableau, you can connect to many more databases, many more data sources. Like as I said earlier, you can connect to Excel, you can connect to Oracle, you can connect to MySQL you can connect to MS SQL, you can connect to Cassandra, anything as such. You can connect to any data sources, be it structured or unstructured. You can even get data directly from Twitter and analyze in Tableau. So the storage limits of a Power BI is 10 GB, whereas ClickSense is offering 500 GB of cloud storage, whereas Tableau is offering only 100 GB data storage. So ClickSense and Power BI are offering cloud storage, whereas Tableau is offering only data storage. Let's move on to the next slide. So let's talk about advantages of Tableau. The advantages of Tableau are high performance, mobile friendly, extensive customer resources, easy to upgrade, low cost, quality customer service, ease of use. So like Tableau provides high performance to the extracts created in it and published over Tableau Online or Tableau Server, and it gives high performance to the dashboards as well. Mobile friendly, so you can access any dashboards which is published on Tableau Online or Tableau Server through your mobile once you install Tableau application in your mobile as well. Extensive customer resources, like I said, Tableau is providing extensive customer support even 24/7 for different time zones as well. So when you if you are facing with an issue, technical issue or licensing or pricing, anything as such, you can reach out to customer care and get your issue solved soon. So easy to upgrade. So Tableau releases lots of versions frequently, and you don't have to worry about these versions. It is easy to upgrade. You just have to download it and reinstall again. So that's it. You can upgrade it to next level, or you can downgrade as well. And it is of low cost. It is easy to use because the drag and drop facility is making us to use it very free, means very easily without any difficulty, and you don't have to worry about the coding also. Limitations of Tableau. So the limitations of Tableau are poor versioning, no automatic refreshing of reports, need manual effort, not a comprehensive solution, no version control, SQL knowledge. So in the beginning you don't have to worry about any technical skills or coding part of Tableau, so because the drag and drop allows you to create reports and dashboards easily, whereas when you are trying to create some complex reports or complex dashboards, or when you are trying to pull data from data source by joining or putting some conditions or creating views or anything as such, you may need SQL knowledge to work on it. And there is no version control provided in Tableau. So once you create a dashboard and you are publishing it to Tableau server, it will not provide any versioning control. So you just have to keep a count of the number of dashboards you are publishing in, and you just have to keep the names accordingly, and you need to maintain the versioning on your own. So this is a limitation of Tableau. And once you create an extract and publish it to Tableau server, it will not refresh automatically. You just have to log into server and then refresh it manually. So there is no automating of extract refreshes happening in Tableau. So that is it. Thank you so much for listening to my video, and thanks a lot for coming here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.